Hi friends, this is your Python partner here, and now we are going to see how to remove the white spaces in Python programming. So for us, this India and this India both are same, but for a Python program both are different because it detects the white spaces. And we have some methods to remove the white spaces, and this is a very useful feature for us to remove the white spaces, especially if we are going to store some n number of names or the values to any of our applications or websites. So, methods are strip off, lstrip off, and rstrip off. So now we can see that using this example. So here, a variable country, it is now referencing to this value India. And I have given white spaces at the left as well as in right. So now when I'm going to give this country dot strip off method, the strip off method, it removes the white spaces from the left as well as the right side. Okay, and so we'll get this output India. You can clearly see there is no white spaces here. And now you can use lstrip off. Lstrip off method, as you already would have guessed it, of course, to remove the white spaces from the left side of this string, you can go for this lstrip. Once when you receive this output, you can see the left side white spaces are removed, as well as rstrip is going to remove the white spaces from the right side. But now once again I'm going to print this variable country. We are getting the same value India along with white spaces. So the thing is, the strip off methods temporarily remove the white spaces and there is no permanent updation inside that variable. It remains unchanged. So if we have to change that permanently, like if we have to remove the white spaces permanently, then we have to associate that stripped value to a variable. So here I have given it as motherland, another variable, and in that variable I have given country.stripoff. As now you know, strip off method removes both the white spaces from left and right side. And now once when I print motherland, you can see India without any white spaces. So I hope you got this thing, and do practice friends. Practice is very important for you to understand the concepts as well as to remember everything. That's all for today friends. So this is your Python partner. Join me in this journey of learning. Bye bye. Take care.